Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin's price action saw a slight uptick today, still battling with the gray 97,500 level. We broke out of what looked like a bearish pennant, and overall, Bitcoin gained 3.37% from the lows of 95,500 to the highs of 98,800. At the time of recording, Bitcoin is sitting right at the gray level of 97,500 again, right on the outer border of the pennant. Are we dipping down again, or is this a bounce? On a weekend? Maybe we'll see another weekend wonder like the last pumps. Looking at the one-week heat map, there's only one direction that makes sense: up. The hot pocket at 99,300 is just too juicy. It has been building up since the 13th of February. Switching to the two-week heat map, the hottest level is sitting at 100,100, with 618 million in short liquidation leverage stacked there. While there's also long leverage at 93,400, with around 586 million, the upper targets are much easier to grab. Switching to the daily Bitcoin chart with Heikin-Ashi candles, the momentum wave on the wave trend indicator just printed a green dot, and the Heikin-Ashi trend candles have been green for the last 3 days. This is just too bullish to believe we would revisit 93,000. In my opinion, it's time to pump. I found this chart on social media showing that Bitcoin isn't even at a top, but actually sitting at a bottom, with the top expected to follow in the next 9 to 18 months. Another interesting chart compares Bitcoin's price after halving events, showing that if we follow the 2012, 2016, or 2020 post-halving runs, we would sit at roughly 180,000, 400,000, or even 600,000. Right now, we are just at 97,500, which is underwhelming and shows Bitcoin could easily pump much higher from here. In other news, on February 14, 2025, T-Media announced that its board has authorized the purchase of cryptocurrency assets, marking a significant development for the crypto market. This announcement, made at 10 a.m. Eastern, immediately led to a surge in trading activity across multiple exchanges. This is super bullish. Do I have your attention now?
Do I have your attention now? Do I have it? Good.
Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts, entries, and exits. Like the video if you got value out of it, and click the subscribe button with the bell if you want to stay updated. And see you in the next one.